In this video, I will show you how to get the Discord voice chat on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up your PS5 and you want to come into the console settings. From here, just come down and select users and accounts, and then you're going to see an option for linked services. So just come down to here and you can see all the different services that you can link. Of course, from here, you're going to want to press onto Discord. So next, it's going to give you a screen with everything you can do once you've linked your accounts. So you can read through that if you want to, but from here, all you're going to want to do is press onto link account and then just accept and continue with the terms and conditions. Next, you're going to see the different ways that you can actually link your accounts. So what you can do is use your mobile device to scan the QR code, or you can come across to discord.com/activate and go ahead and enter the code on screen to link your account. What you can do this on a PC, but if not, you can use the PS5 built-in browser down here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and link the account, and then I'll show you what to do next. So what I've gone ahead and done is scanned the QR code on my phone. It's going to come up with the authorization like this. So you just want to scroll down and press onto authorize down at the bottom. And as you can see, it says you're all set up. So you can see now on our PS5, it's actually saying that we've linked our account. So to go ahead and actually use the Discord voice chat on your PS5, what you're going to want to do is come into the voice channel on your server, on your device. And once you do that, if you look at the bottom, it says here, PlayStation detected, transfer the voice chat to console. Just go ahead and press onto that, and then select join on PlayStation. So as you can now see, it says we are connected on PS5, and the screen's just going to change to this. So now we are all connected. So if I actually come back to the dashboard, the PS5 dashboard, and on the dashboard, if you actually press the PlayStation button on your controller, so the actual PlayStation button here, and you can see we have the Discord voice chat there. So all you want to do is press X onto the voice chat. And from here, you can do things like change the audio balance, or you can mute people and you can see who's actually in the voice chat. And if at any point you want to close this down, just go ahead and select leave down here. And as you can see, that's going to disconnect us from the voice chat. So that is how to go ahead and get the Discord voice chat on your PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.